So, Nutrilink po is a recent startup lang po. So, last year po kami nag-start around November. Currently 6 lang po yung founding members namin and it is a student-led
Madami na
Filipino
nga yun, eh,
startup.
6.
Oo, marami na din. So, student-led Filipino startup po siya which aims to address the allergy gap, the knowledge on allergy gap here in the Philippines. Tsaka opo,
Hmm.
tsaka we aim to make allergy testing much more efficient and much more, cost-friendly po sa Filipinos, sir.
Oh.
When we say allergy gap, sir, hindi marami pong Filipinos na hindi nila alam yung allergies nila
Yes, yes.
or it's either alam nila pero based on experience na. Like for
Yes,
example,
oo.
kumain sila ng shrimp
Hipon.
tapos doon 'di ba, sir? Doon nila nalaman na may
Oo,
allergy
oo.
sila. Pero, there is a way para malaman before kumain, which is the
Hmm.
skin prick test, sir, if you're aware.
Yes, oo, oo.
Nakapag-try ka na ba
Yes, oo,
before?
mm.
Opo. So, yun yung parang primary way of knowing if you have allergies. So, according sa atin, sa Freedom of Information or sa FOI natin, wala po tayong data on allergy morbidity here in the Philippines. So, basically,
Hmm.
hindi natin alam kung ilang tao yung merong allergy sa eggs,
Yes.
allergy sa milk, and this data is very important. And the only way para malaman magka-data tayo is if mag-test yung mga Filipinos. And although meron naman po tayong way of testing which is the, skin prick test, mahal po siya. So, parang nagre-range po
Hmm.
yung price niya around 2,000 to 10,000 pesos.